This is just the honest truth, and I'm going to be telling you guys as bitter as you can. No matter what you do on YouTube, don't ever make this mistake. See, this actually cost me a lot, okay? When I mean a lot, even from my revenue, from my subscribers, and from my analytics, like generally, this affected me on YouTube. First of all, let me drink water, honestly. I've been trying for the past 1 hour now to film a video, but right now it's just like I don't even know what I'm doing here. Like is like, what am I trying to do? Like I'm confused. This is me that I'll just script my videos and do my research and then pick up my camera and start filming, even without having to think twice. Okay, right now I have my script here on my notepad, which is this particular notepad that you guys are seeing. But anytime I try to say one or two things, it's just looking more like everything is new. Like everything, literally everything is new. Anyway, first, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are cute. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. And first of all, I need to wish you guys Happy New Year, because I know I did not even wish you guys Merry Christmas because of my health issues. But thank God everything is perfect now. I am fine now. I'm fine, I'm perfectly fine. You can see that all of those fever blisters on my lips just disappeared, like they've disappeared. That's to say I'm perfectly fine now. And I just want to say Happy New Year to you guys. This is like my first video of this year. And usually me, I will not even call day, but today is 6th, right? Today is 6th. Today is Monday. Today is 6th of January, which is Monday. And this is me battling to film a video for over an hour. That is why I captioned this. No matter what you do on YouTube, don't do this. Like, it will cost you a lot, okay? And this particular stuff affected even my YouTube revenue. My YouTube revenue dropped drastically. Like, when I mean drastically, but I know that I was not filming video. Not like I didn't meet up to my threshold, right? I met up to my threshold, and that's one beautiful part about it. Even when I was away, YouTube they were still doing their thing. They were still recommending my videos to some persons that needed to recommended my videos to people that still love to click to like watch my videos. But my revenue dropped. Okay, when I mean my revenue dropped, I didn't get up to what I would get like usually in a month, but I still met up my threshold. And I'm not sad about it, because like I said, it's a platform that even if you are not available, in as much as your content is monetized, you still get to make, even if it's 1 cent. And for me to meet up a threshold of over $100 without even filming a video is something I am really, really grateful for. And I'm praying for every one of my subscribers to get to that stage. Now, this is one of the mistakes that I will not call my mistake, because on my own case, I was actually sick. I'm really, really surprised when I see a lot of people just go out of YouTube like for 1 month, 2 months, and they are coming back. They're wasting strong. Like, it feels as if they did not even miss the platform at all. For me, even when I was on my sick bed, I was just thinking about, oh, my YouTube, my subscribers, because the way the sickness came, I was not even able to notify my friends, even people that I was doing classes for. I was not even to notify them and tell them that, oh, Vibration is sick, I will not be able to come. It was, I think, after 3 days or 4 days, I have to tell my sister, please go to my WhatsApp chat and tell every single person that I am sick, especially those ones that, because there's a particular name I usually save the people I coach with, okay? So I just send them those messages. But this is me coming back to YouTube, and everything feels new. Like, it's looking more like I've not even filmed any video before. It's looking more like I'm filming my first video. And I did not even stay up to a month. Just 2 weeks. Plus, let me say 2 weeks, or approximately 3 weeks. I would say plus all of this going up and down, 3 weeks. I've not been on YouTube, and it feels like everything is new. I don't even know what to say. Even when I have my script looking at me like this, I don't know what to say. That's why I just said, okay, let me just probably rant first. maybe I will know what to say. Gradually, probably I will just develop that vibes of filming videos and the rest of that. There is this lady that also left YouTube for about 3 months, or is it less than 3 months? Favor Matthew, and she talked about confidence not boosting, morale down, everything. I was like, when I was looking at that video, I was like, are you serious? But this is me now. My script has been in my present for the past 1 hour. I can't even film a proper video. No matter what you do not leave YouTube, okay? If it's not that thing that can, like, just like my own case, like I said, I was sick. I have to take care of my health first. So if it's not regarding your health, your mental health, your physical health, your emotional health, any health they're talking about, if you are still at that position of you need to film a video, please film a video. Film a video, because the moment you leave, it's like you're gonna start. It's like you're starting afresh. Because right now, that is the kind of vibes I'm getting. Like, I'm starting afresh. This is someone that is coaching people. Is kind of starting afresh. I'm not even ashamed to say this. Everybody have this particular time of frame to, like, pass through. This is me that will sit down and literally film 7 videos or 6 videos in a day. If I don't film anything at all, any day I set my camera to film, I film up to like 3 or 5 videos. You understand? And now, within this period of me leaving, it also affected my analytics. My analytics went from like this to like this. Because you guys know I was uploading videos every day, so my analytics were always going up and up and up. But right now, it's just like there's a little bit slant like this, downward. Even most of these videos that I've been uploading, they are not videos that I just recently created. If you're seeing any videos, especially regarding any apps and website, they are not videos that I just recently created. Those are my 2024 videos, and I have them on my log, and I just be like, okay, let me just release them to keep my platform busy. But to film like a proper video this 2025, this is me sitting down with my script for over 1 hour, and the confidence, the morale is not there. This is someone that has been on YouTube for over 3 years and is having this low morale, low confidence boost because she left YouTube for a period of time. Then what about you that just started YouTube, that you've not even gotten even your 1,000 subscribers, or you just started 3 months ago, 4 months ago? Do you think that you're not going to lose this confidence? Do you think that if you leave YouTube for a long period of time, it's going to be easy for you to come back? It is not going to be easy for you to come back. So if you're doing YouTube and you want to master doing YouTube, it's just like an everyday thing. If you keep doing it every day, you keep having new ideas, new strategies, new talents, new this, new that. But the moment you take a pause from YouTube, everything that you have built like this will just sink. It will sink because your videos are not coming up. Your views will be going down. Because it's not, in as much as YouTube is going to be recommending your videos, it's not going to be like when YouTube is recommending, then you are uploading. For someone like me, if YouTube is recommending my videos, I'm also uploading video, then I'm going for my live stream. Then imagine this period of me not doing live stream again, me not uploading videos again, but YouTube is still recommending my videos. So the views are just coming for more of recommendations. You understand? My live stream views are no longer there. My super chats that people always come support me is no longer there. You get my points. So if you are a YouTuber this 2025 and you really want to attain that certain height that you're looking for, this is the time for you to start right now. I start starting right now. If you don't start, don't quit. No matter how difficult it is, no matter how terrible it is, no matter the situations that you're not getting views, you're not getting anything, don't quit YouTube. The moment you quit YouTube, you're going to lose everything. You're not only going to lose the morale that is pushing you to like upload videos, you are also going to be having, if you're not monetized, you have that long period of getting monetized. And if you are monetized, your revenue, just like mine, will just go like this. It will just go down. Okay, at least on my own end, I was still able to like meet up my threshold. What if you did not meet up your threshold? Will you be able to even get your monthly salary? Because me, I take YouTube as a job, and YouTube pays me monthly. So it's like I'm getting a monthly salary from YouTube. So if you want to succeed, just keep pushing consistency. And I just hope that with this few video that I've been able to talk about 1 or 2 things, I've been able to get like my morale boost back, my confidence back. I don't know, so I'll just try after this video. I think I'll upload this video today being 6th of January, so that this video will not be lingering, and I'll just try to like see if I can film 1 or 2. If I can't film, I'll just take a pause and come back later. But the good thing is this with Sonia, whether they like it or not, whether YouTube like it or not, whether scripts is scripting or not, I must film a video. I must film. That morale must come back because I need the money. You get, the money is the vibes, the money is the logo. Nobody should deceive you and tell you that, oh, don't do this, be doing it slow and steady. Nay, you go tire. I'm telling you, I know what I'm saying. You go tire. But when you are seeing the money go boost your morale. You understand? It go boost your morale. But that doesn't mean that if you are at that point that you don't have that zeal, that vibes or anything, like especially when it concerns your health, and you don't want to film a video, it doesn't mean that you should just go and pick up your camera and start filming. You'll get exhausted. Remember, when you buy, people will go chop the money, go see the chop them. You understand? A lot of people have started YouTube and they are not here today. You get? That is why you need to majorly take your health in place. And that brings me to what I'm about to say, right? So like, you guys know that I have 3 channels, okay? And last year was like more back to back for me because it was looking more like I was uploading on 3 channels. Not like I can't do it this year, I can, but I just want to make sure that my health is more important to me this year. I don't want to overstress myself as well. That's the second thing. So what I'll just basically do is my second channel, I'll just change the name to myself and my husband's name. So anytime my husband have a video, he can just film and upload there. Anytime I have a video, I can also film and upload there. Anybody that want to watch will watch. Anyone that YouTube wants to recommend, YouTube will definitely recommend. So this, since that channel is monetized, instead of getting that hustle of, oh, I must be the one to post video there back to back, I'm not greedy. You understand? My husband, I've started a YouTube channel for him and the channel is going well, but I think I'm just gonna tell him to take a pause there so that he can just do with the second one that I have, and then I will just work with this particular one. I'll be more serious on this particular vibe with Sonia's channel, and then focus on my vlog channel. You guys know there's no way I'm gonna erase my vlog. Like I love my vlog so much because I know that it keeps documentaries for me. So yeah, that is it. Let me know in the comment section if you have started YouTubing before, or you are a YouTuber and at some point you have this low morale, you know. Let me know in the comment section and I would really love to hear from your opinion. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to say bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. So for now, bye. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys. Sonia.